Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about small business tax preparation, and we are going to talk about it, and we'll be reading an article on intuit.com website. So let's go and let's read out the article without wasting much more time. Experienced tax professionals understand that preparing a tax return for small businesses entails much more than number crunching. Taxation for small businesses is an ever changing landscape where evolving regulations keep you on your toes. It's a complex field, which is why we've created this guide to help see you through. Understanding the average cost of a tax preparation for a small business. Understandably, small business owners want to know the average cost of their tax preparation. The truth, however, is that it varies. The cost of tax preparation depends on multiple factors, and many are hard to predict in advance. The structure of the business itself, as well as its customary practices, plays a significant role. Companies operating in more than one jurisdiction or whose records include a wide assortment of transaction types have more complex tax which requires more time to prepare. Some businesses or industries even have their unique filing requirements. Home-based businesses in California, for example, have a specific sales tax obligations compared to other businesses in their area. You'll need to know these requirements before you can file taxes effectively. Managing client expectations. Be transparent in your first meeting with a small business client. If you see potential hurdles or distinct challenges in their setup, give them a heads up before it becomes a problem later. Instead of emphasizing the affordability of your services, which could raise questions if you underprice yourself, highlight the value of what you offer. Remind clients of the headache and time they could save by hiring a trained tax preparation service. It helps to find out what other business tax preparation services charge their clients. The idea is to gain insight into the local tax preparation market so you don't over or undercharge. Remember, tax preparation services charge based on their experience, qualifications, credentials, and complexity of the services. Never sell yourself short. If you wish to offer greater affordability, consider doing it as part of an overall service package that balances price with quality for select clients. It helps to cultivate more loyal and long lasting client relationships as well. For example, you can bundle your service to include books, cleanup, tax preparation, as well as tax planning services for a lump sum price. A small business tax preparation checklist for accountants. Having an accessible tax preparation checklist is a best practice for accountants. It provides a readily available reference guide to prevent confusion at the start of the process. You can also include tips or valuable lessons learned from past experiences as part of the checklist. Um, Understand the tax requirements for every business. Businesses with different legal structures have different tax preparation needs. Sole proprietorships are not corporations and can't be treated as such. No matter the classification, research each business's tax preparation requirements at the local and state levels. You'll need this information before you can start working. Gather the necessary financial documents, follow tax deadlines, avoid common tax preparation pitfalls, and Yeah, how to prepare taxes for small businesses. Choosing the right tax firm for your small business clients is crucial. It ensures your client only pays taxes they are responsible for. No one wants to overpay or incur a penalty from the IRS. Exceptional tax preparation begins with the correct form. Get your clients involved in the decision making progress. After all, it's about their financial health and they deserve to have a say in the forms you use. This can also help you create customized tax solutions for each of your clients' businesses, which might save them money in the long run. And here's the rest of the para. You can read it by your own, because if I'll read it, the video will be uh, lengthy. So, yeah, let's end this video here. And I hope so you've understood everything that I've read uh, on this article till now. So, that's it for today's video, and we'll meet in the next video. So, till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.